Hi, I'm Marie Crick. I am a wedding and event florist, and I tried EveryStem for the first time a few months ago. And let me tell you, it really blew my mind because you can input your flower varieties in a flower library, and then you can just click which flower you want to put in your recipe, and then it auto calculates how much you need to charge for each arrangement. It's amazing. It saves me time because I can just add in the flour without having to calculate everything myself. It saves me sanity because my old method was paper and pen. And that means I need to keep track of all these junk scrap pieces of paper. Like months after I initially wrote them, I have to go find them and then order from my wholesaler with them. So anyway, it saves me time and it saves me sanity because I'm not scrambling around. I know exactly where all my flowers are. And it also saves me profits because this really keeps me in line to keeping up with my markups to make sure I'm profitable. And also it doesn't allow for so much human error because the computer does all the magic for you. Then you don't need to worry, oh man, did I do my markup right? Or did I put the right amount in? It's all in there and you're not forgetting anything. So anyway, I'm so grateful for this app. The price is right. It's easy to use. Once you get your flowers in there, then you can just use it for years to come. So anyway, thank you so much for this app. I cannot wait to keep using it. And this is going to be a good year. This is going to be a good year. I can feel it. Thanks, EveryStem.